Welcome back, Flyronix here. And as you can see, my eyes are red. Yes, I bought contacts from Wish. It's an app. It's pretty cheap, but it was $8 for it all. It's pretty cool. So we went to Walmart and we bought quite a bit of things. And we also got some Dollar General things that we might do for this video. We might come up with a challenge on the way as well. Hey guys, we're in my kitchen now, and we decided we're going to take cookie dough, make some cookies, you know, and we're also going to review this silly sludge that we found at Dollar General. All right, we're just gonna cut this off here. Oh, that looks good. All right, so we're gonna get the cookies going. We need a baking pan. This will buff. Now, we want to preheat this oven on 350. I like to work this. God. 350, and I think you just wait, I guess. I don't know it too well, but it's going. We're good. So it says we need heaping teaspoons of dough about 2 inches apart on ungreased baking sheet.
Alrighty.
So let's get teaspoons. Or is it tablespoons?
I think it's tablespoons.
Ah.
No, it's teaspoons.
I don't really know the difference.
It's teaspoons.
It is teaspoons?
Yeah.
No way.
That's not very big though.
That's a teaspoon right there.
That's so small.
Yeah, I don't like.
Just do like.
But you know, we're gonna do more than that. We don't want those small cookies. All right, so it says teaspoons, but we don't do that. We're gonna take more than a teaspoon for sure. We got these here, and we're just gonna take a nice big chunk out of it. That's probably about 2 nanometer dessicons, probably around there. Just now, just roll it on there, you know. Don't really care the size about that, you know. It just doesn't really matter. We want some big cookies. And this isn't really a tutorial either, it's just fun, you know. We got some cookies, we wanted to do something with it. Alright guys, it looks like we're gonna have a giant monster one in the middle, because it doesn't really matter, you know. Alright, now we're just gonna wait for this to work. Boy! Okay, anyways. God. Alright, anyways. You know, it's getting there. Alright, we're gonna review the silly sludge here. It looks pretty small. It says 120 grams. So, whoa. It's really liquidy. Whoa, dude. Alright. We're just gonna pour it out. So, whoa. Whoa, dude, that is awesome. Wait.
Put it in your hand.
That is so soft. Oh, wow. Alright. It's kind of cool. I mean, it feels cool. You can probably get this at your nearest narwhal store, probably. It's good stuff, yeah. Whoa. That's orgasmic. Yeah, I think it cleans the table for me, too. It's kind of cool. So, I haven't showed you guys this house yet, or anything like that. But this is the kitchen. It's where I'll do DIYs, taste tests, stuff like that. It's pretty messy over here because we're having a renovation on our house. We decided to make a glob in the middle. Okay, it's not what it looks like. It's just, you know, it's just gonna make a cookie. A good one too. Oh, and guess what that is? It's time to put them in. Do we put them in the middle?
Bottom.
Oh, okay. supposed to happen. Oh, frick. This probably shouldn't be in here. Oh, God, that's hot. Alright, now. We want to set a timer here. What does it say?
12 to 13 minutes.
12? Let's put it in for 12. And we're good. So we discovered something. And we can blow bubbles in this silly putty. Silly sludge. Oh, there it went. Well, that was pretty big for one container. I imagine it'd take more than that, but well, that's it for the silly putty. It's silly sludge. It's kind of cool. I also want to tell you guys, if you want to get this stuff, we got it at Dollar General. It's like $1, and you can get it in a black version too. It looks kind of cool. We checked out both of them, but we didn't buy both. Green is cool too, as you can see. Go get some. Not sponsoring Silly Sludge. Alright guys, I decided we're gonna put this in the microwave. I had to, you know, it's like pretty good container here. So just put it in there. 50 minutes. Why not? Oh. 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 God.
There's none in there.
Woo! Squirrel.
Squirrel.
What is it? Ha. Ha. This isn't working. It's so hot. Alright, we're gonna clean this up. Whoa, dude. Oh. It's hot. It's, oh, wow. It's hot. Hot potato? Alright guys, this is completely done now. Look it up.
Oh, your camera's good.
Look, wait, wasn't that a big, that was a big log earlier. No, it's all good. Looks like this one. Ooh, sizzle. Sizzle, sizzle, Oh, that's hot.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, we're just gonna give it some time to cool.
Yep.
Alright, we got 2 of these cookies left, and they're like hard, so we don't want to have them. So we're gonna put them on my brother while he's sleeping with his girlfriend. Alright guys, we are going to air horn him while the cookies are on his head, and hopefully they will fly off and hit his girlfriend or something fun. Alright. The cookies fell off. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment what you want us to do later.